Hi everyone and happy Saturday. I am back with the spot prize giveaway game, and to see who has won, I'm so sorry, Charles is up to his normal antics. Those of you that have been following will see that we have been doing a spot prize giveaway game, and yesterday we got down to two people, and two lovely ladies, Jackie McFall and La Chica Baby. And the question was, which of these two places have I actually visited? And it was New York or Las Vegas. And each one of you answered differently. So that means we must have a winner. So who is it? Who's going to win all of these gorgeous goodies? Well, I'm going to make you wait just a bit longer as we do, and just show you exactly, if Charles will let me, what you have won. So we have this gorgeous lace, this white and cream lace. We have two lovely handmade by me flowers, shabby chic flowers, which are really cute, and I was really proud of these. And this, which I made. I actually had another one of these arrive today with my AliExpress order. I love these from my seller. I'm going to ask her to put a bundle in next time because they're so cute, and I made it into like a tuck spot. This lovely button card, some rusted bowl pins, a Rolodex like tuck spot pocket that I decorated up. There's actually two of those. Some of these little cards to decorate, and then they've got a couple that have been decorated with a charm. And there's two of those, and then this lovely bird tuck spot, which was made from an old ladybird, vintage ladybird book. A little tuck spot thing there, and a tag. So the answer was Las Vegas. I have actually been, Jackie, to Las Vegas, and you're right, I absolutely loved it. In fact, I think it's the kind of place that you have to go back twice at least to absorb it all, because the first time you're there, it's like, oh my goodness, it is so different. It is so amazing. Loved it. Absolutely loved that place. But I would like to go to New York. It's a place I've never been, and I would love to go. So well done to everyone. Thank you to everyone who took part. This was a really fun little giveaway, this one. And sorry, La Chica Baby, good luck next time. I will be doing another one, not sure when, but it was really good fun. So Jackie, if you could email me your address details at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com, I will post all of these goodies, but not Charles, to you. So well done. That was a lot of fun. Now Monday, we do have the winner will be announced for the March subby challenge, so look out for that one. That's really good fun, and I will be doing more giveaways and that as well. You know me, I like to give things away. Come on, Charles, get out the way. But you can't have me cat. You can't have me cat. Right, I'm going to be back to do an AliExpress haul, and also I had some lovely Happy Mail this week, so I will be doing a Happy Mail video as well, and who knows what else I'll be doing as well. So keep watching. I've got lots of goodies to show you. Look at this, yummy yummy yum. That's come in my AliExpress haul today, so I'll be showing them in a bit. So see you all very soon, won't we, Charles? All right, bye.